Welcome to Prepwiser, your all-in-one AI-powered platform for mastering interview skills and coding assessments. Whether you're preparing for behavioral interviews, technical interviews, or coding challenges, Prepwiser gives you everything you need to practice and improve in one place. Let's walk through how it works. First, signing in is quick and secure. You can use your Google or GitHub account to log in and instantly access all the features.
Once signed in, let's set up a new AI mock interview. Here, I'm filling in important details, like my target role, company, and the type of interview I want to practice, whether it's behavioral, technical, or a mix of both. I can also select my preferred interview duration and upload my resume and job description. These help the AI generate customized, relevant interview questions tailored just for me. After filling in the details, I click Start. Now, Prepwiser connects me with an AI interviewer that will guide me through the entire session. It just takes a few seconds for the AI to join.
Hello, I'm your interviewer from OpenAI. I've had a chance to review your resume, and I'm excited to discuss your background for the AI engineer position. Let's get started.
Sounds great. I'm really excited to chat about the role and my experience. Let me know what you'd like to dive into first, and I'll be happy to share more details.
I'd like to start with your technical background. Can you tell me about your experience with AI and machine learning, and how you think it relates to the AI engineer role at OpenAI?
Absolutely. So my experience with AI and machine learning includes working on a variety of projects, from building custom deep learning models for research to developing AI-powered applications. For example, I've worked on creating a visual storyteller app that uses AI to generate images based on text, as well as a project that involved building a crop recommendation system using machine learning models. I think these experiences align well with the AI engineer role at OpenAI because they showcase my ability to apply AI technologies to real-world problems and innovate along the way.
That sounds interesting. You've worked on some cool projects. I'd like to dive a bit deeper into your experience with large language models. Your resume mentions that you have experience with fine-tuning deploying LLMs. Can you walk me through your process for fine-tuning a large language model for a specific task or application?
Absolutely. When it comes to fine-tuning a large language model, I typically start by defining the specific task and collecting a relevant data set. For example, if it's for a specialized text classification task, I gather label data that reflects the categories we want the model to learn. Then I pre-process the data, making sure it's clean and in a format suitable for the model. Next, I choose a base model, often something like a GPT variant, and set up the fine-tuning environment, typically using a framework like Hugging Face Transformers. I'll then fine-tune the model by training on this data set, adjusting hyperparameters like learning rate and batch size to optimize performance. Finally, I evaluate the model using a validation set to ensure it generalizes well, and then deploy it in the target application, continuously monitoring its performance and making adjustments as needed.
It sounds like you have a solid approach to fine-tuning large language models. You mentioned using a framework like Hugging Face Transformers, which is great. Can you tell me more about your experience with this framework and how you use it to optimize model performance in your previous projects?
I want to end the interview now. Can you give me the feedback about my answers?
Based on our conversation, you provided some good insights into your experience with AI and machine learning, particularly with fine-tuning large language models. Your approach to fine-tuning seems solid. You mentioned some relevant frameworks like Hugging Face Transformers. One area for improvement could be providing more specific examples or details about your projects, such as the challenges you faced and how you overcame them. This will get a better understanding of your problem-solving skills and experience. Overall, it was a pleasure chatting with you. I hope you found our conversation helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything, feel free to ask.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. It was nice speaking with you, and I wish you the best of luck with your application to OpenAI. If you have any other questions or need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.
After finishing, I return to my dashboard, where I can see my updated interview stats. Prepwiser tracks my total sessions, progress over time, and shows a complete interview history with details for each session. I also have the option to review past sessions or delete any session I don't want to keep. Prepwiser isn't just about mock interviews. It also offers a coding assessment feature. Here, I'm clicking on the Leet Code tool, which takes me directly to a coding challenge for practice. After finishing a coding session, Prepwiser automatically updates my coding practice stats on the dashboard, helping me track my technical prep as well. Finally, I sign out, and it takes me back to the landing page. That's Prepwiser. If you're serious about acing your next interview, visit www.prepwiser.net and start practicing today.